3-minute vlog, and so today we are eating chicken adobo and some rice. And show him your dessert. It's this. We don't know the name. Yeah. Okay, let's eat now. What's your water? It's delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. Hey, your water is empty. That's okay. So this is me, Martina, and this is Fransley, and this is Ate Vanessa, and this is our 3-minute mini vlog. Yeah! Look how delicious that is. Oh, go buy. I want to go. Go buy. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. Okay, so Jesus went home and... By the way, show them eating your dessert. This is my dessert. That is so good. It's good. Look at this adobo piece. It looks so good, guys. Wow. That's no. Just wait. You guys stay here with Presley. I'll just go get some water. Bye. Nay. Nay.
Ano nagla-live ka mo?
No. Okay, got some water. Ano daw hindi nakon-on? Okay, so this on. Actually, my dessert. It's very so good.
Classmate. Yung classmate.
I don't know, like. Have you ever tried adobo? If you haven't tried adobo yet, bye-bye. See you next soon. Yeah, see you soon. Please come back to our video. Peace.